evening close. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 495, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Otoe, and Saline. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 495 has been issued from 3:50 p.m. until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Otoe, and Saline. This hazardous weather